Hello, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. I like to make all kind of crafts. I do wreaths, floral arrangements, centerpieces, swags, garlands, but I also love making all kinds of crafts, making primitive, old-fashioned, just making things unique. So today we're going to take this Dollar Tree placemat and turn it into a throw pillow. These would be great outside on your lawn furniture for the summer. This is a blue and green, lime green paisley print. Very pretty. The thing you want to look for when you're doing these is a 2-layer placemat. As you see, this is on the back side is just a teal blue. On the front it's the paisley print. So it's 2 layers. And to save time, I went ahead and undid the seam right here, just enough for my hand to fit in. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make throw pillows. So all you need is some ploy-fil. I use the Surebonder. I'm not sponsored by them. I use Surebonder fabric glue sticks. Now, Surebonder makes a regular glue stick, but these are the fabric glue sticks. This is simple. I mean, it's just a couple of minutes and you have throw pillows, and I'll show you some more that I've made for my bedroom, and some I have even for my foyer. I have an old rocking chair, and I have a Battenberg lace one, and I actually used it, and it was not 2 layers, but I will show you what I did. So these are just simple, and for $1 from the Dollar Tree, and I purchased them last summer. I don't know if they'll have the same print out this year or not, but I'm just stuffing it in there. And these, I don't know if this is like a twill kinda. They may fade, but they're $1, So if you had to replace them every summer, you're looking at $1 plus your ploy-fil and your glue stick. And the fabric, the Surebonder fabric glue sticks, they will hold even if you had to throw them in the washing machine. I've made some more out that's on my patio furniture now. They're still holding up from last year. But they've kind of faded. The sun fades everything. And you don't want to get them, too full. They look all wrinkled or anything, but you do want a fluffy pillow. So this is what it's looking like. I'll put that little bit of right there in there and just kind of, even it out a little bit. I thought these were very pretty. And for $1, hey, you could even see with these, you could buy some for your placemats and then have pillows to match. How awesome is that? Okay, so what we're doing here, let me move this so you might can see better. I have one glue gun for my Surebonder glue, and then I have another glue gun that's just my regular glue. And I just went on the edge of that. I do try to keep them separate. That way it's not mixed up. Now, this glue does dry pretty fast. So I wouldn't do, like a long stretch before I try to put it together. Now you do need to you know, make sure that it's mashed firmly. So I'm gonna do just rubbing my finger back and forth until I feel like, you know, it's gonna hold. And then we'll do the other half of it. This is just a simple way, you know, to be frugal and still be pretty, because lawn pillows, you know, for your lawn chairs and outdoor pillows and outdoor accessories, when you get to decorating your outside patio, it can get very expensive. I have white. Well, it was black, but I did paint my wrought iron furniture white. So, you know, these would be pretty on there. And look there, already done. How simple was that? And you would never know that it is a placemat. So, I'll show you some more that I have done. Now, this one was not the 2-layered placemat. It is a batten bird lace placemat, but it was just one layer. So I took 2 and I glued all the way around. And how the batten bird lace is, I just left the corners. I went around this design right here with my glue, and I thought it turned out very pretty. So, and it was just a placemat. Here's another one I did for my bedroom. And this placemat came from Hobby Lobby last year when they ran all their summer stuff on clearance for, I think I got this one when it was 50% off because I was scared they were going to be gone. But this one's very pretty. Isn't that pretty? And it was double layered. These were $7.99, so I got them for $4. $4 for a throw pillow for my bed isn't bad. So that is my video for today. I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all being here at Rachel's Unique Crafts, and visit again. Thank you. Bye-bye.